Hey there, food lovers! Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up a mouth-watering chicken and potato dish that's sure to become a new favorite in your home. So let's get cooking. First off, let's talk about our ingredients. You'll need some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, potatoes, olive oil, garlic, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Simple, right? Now grab those potatoes. We're going to chop them into bite-sized pieces. Once that's done, toss them into a mixing bowl. Drizzle a generous amount of olive oil over them. Sprinkle some salt, and don't forget the rosemary. Give them a good mix to make sure they're all nicely coated. Next, let's prep our chicken. Lay the chicken breasts on a cutting board and season both sides with salt and pepper. If you're feeling adventurous, a little paprika or garlic powder can add a nice kick. All right, it's time to bring it all together. Layer the seasoned potatoes and chicken in a baking dish. Make sure to spread them out evenly so everything cooks perfectly. Now, into the oven it goes. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes or until the chicken is juicy and the potatoes are golden and crispy. The aroma that fills the kitchen is just irresistible. While that's cooking, let's chat a bit. This dish is not just delicious, it's also a great way to get a hearty meal on the table without too much fuss. It's perfect for a family dinner, and trust me, everyone from kids to grandparents will love it. Ding, that must be our meal ready. Look at that golden perfection. The chicken is cooked just right, and those potatoes are to die for. Now, the best part, let's plate up. Serve yourself a nice big portion. Oh, and don't forget to spoon some of those delicious herby oils from the bottom of the dish over the top. There you have it, a simple yet stunning chicken and potato recipe that's sure to impress. Whether it's a weekday dinner or a special gathering, this dish is a winner. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. They're going to want in on this secret, trust me. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Remember, good food is all about sharing and enjoying together. So dig in and enjoy the flavors. See you next time.